Hello everyone, this is me again, Mark, and I am so excited for this video because I am going to feature one of the oldest condominium here in Cebu City. And this one is one of the oldest, is also the oldest or the first condominium residential development of primary homes. And this is Aurora here in President Quezon Street, Cebu City. Let's come because this is a 360 view of penthouse, roof deck, and we have the view of east, west, south, and north of the Cebu. So come with me as we tour this roof deck. So this is the south side. This is the south side of Cebu, and that's the north. We will try to check this first. So this is the north side of Cebu. We can see in that side the Mactan Island. And let's come here. This is the south side of Cebu. We can see in the south the Cebu Business Park, the IT Park. And the IT Park is on the west. So this is on Cebu Business Park and the CCLX. And let's go here. And this is the west part of Cebu. Mainly in this part, we can see the view of Cebu IT Park and going to the mountain of Lahong and Busay. And this is the north side of Cebu. This is the north side. Our view here is the Cebu Golf Course and the Mandawi City. I will get the video, then I will show you the area. This is the north side of Cebu, and we can see the Mandawi City. That's the Royal Garden Residences and Sarosa Hotel. That one, Sarosa Hotel. And those are the AS Fortuna. Those building there are in AS Fortuna Street, and that's going to the Talamban. That's the IT Park area. That's the 38 Park Avenue. That's the west side of Cebu. And the Cebu Golf Course, we can see from here, and that's the Mandani Bay. That one, it's in Mandawi City. And by hotel, that one, and I will show you the Mactan Island. Here is the east part of the view. So we can see the Mactan Island. Unfortunately, today is having typhoon, so the air is not so clear and the clouds is so cloudy, dark. And anyway, that's the Mactan Island, and that's the Mactan Channel. We can see also the Radisson Blu from here. Radisson Blu is MCT Cebu, and the San Marino Residences Condominium, and those are the southeast part. We can see the CCLX there, and that's also developed by Mandawi, by Primary Homes. And that's the Robinson's Galleria. And let's go to the south side of this building. Maybe we'll just take from here. And this is the southern part of the Cebu, and it's really dark because it's raining. That's the Cebu Business Park area. There we can see the Tuquad building, the QBE building, and the Taft East Gate. That's the Taft East Gate Residences, and the Montage, the building of Montage, and Alveo, Apple One building, and the Juanito building. And let's go to the west side of the view. It's really a 360 view. I don't think maybe some of the unit owners here come to enjoy this place, and then yeah, somebody is enjoying the place. So let's go from here. This is the west part of Cebu, and our view from here, we can see partly the Cebu Business Park area, and that's the President Quezon Street and the Waterfront Hotel. And this is the Cebu IT Park area, and that's already Mandawi City, and that's going to Talamban Mountain. And we can see also here that Monterasas, that's the Monterasas area, the mountain, yan, nakalbo. And that's the Island Hotel and Residences. That's the 38 Park Avenue, Avida Riala, and Grand Residences, and the Concentrex, the Artaland business office building of Artaland, the Cebu Exchange building, and that's going to the Ayala. This road here, that's very traffic. We can see the traffic here. It's going to the Ayala, and that's the hotel of the Cebu Land Masters. It's ongoing construction, the Crown Hotel. That's the Jandorf Tower, and I will show you the roof deck. This is the roof deck of the East Aurora. This is one of the oldest condominium residential building of the Cebu City, and this is developed by the Primary Homes. This building has been many calamities, typhoon, earthquake, but until now they are still standing still, and it's very strong foundation. And we can see that it was really developed with good construction. And let's say from here, actually there is a stairs going to that area, but we will not go there because it's really high. And this is it. This is the view that you can get from the Cebu. Once again, this is the East Aurora Tower here in the Quezon Avenue. President Quezon. Oh my God, the rain is coming now. Oh, that's the rain already. Oh, we will stop the video because it's raining already.